Pi networks decentralized AI integration is becoming one of the most fascinating and misunderstood developments in the entire Web3 space. And today we are going to explore it in a smooth and clear way. Imagine a future where artificial intelligence is no longer controlled by a small group of powerful companies, but instead guided and shaped by millions of everyday people connected through a global blockchain. That is the world Pi Network is trying to build, and this idea alone has the potential to completely change how we interact with technology, how we build apps, how we protect our data, and how digital economies operate. To truly understand how this began, we go back to Pi Network's original mission. Pi was never just a coin or another crypto project. Its purpose has always been to make cryptocurrency accessible to everyone. People with smartphones, people without expensive mining equipment, people who never had a chance to participate in the early days of Bitcoin or Ethereum. Pi's goal was to create a currency for the world, not a currency for the lucky few. And as artificial intelligence became more powerful, more important, and more controlled by giant corporations, a new question emerged inside the Pi community. What if AI could be democratized, decentralized, and given back to the people? The question slowly turned into a vision. Instead of AI being stored on the servers of big tech companies, controlled by secret algorithms and powered by the data of billions of users to get nothing in return, Pi Network could build an AI ecosystem where intelligence is shared, trained, and guided by community. This idea became possible because Pi is not just a blockchain. It is a network of tens of millions of verified humans. And that human-powered foundation makes Pi uniquely positioned to create a community-driven AI model that is safer, more ethical, and more transparent than anything we see today. Now, when we look at the global AI landscape in 2025, one thing becomes very clear. AI today is extremely centralized. A small group of companies decides how AI works, what data it uses, and how it affects the world. Ordinary people have no control over the AI systems that influence their lives. Pi Network's decentralized model challenges that reality. Instead of having AI in the hands of a few, Pi imagines a future where AI runs on a network of real users, real devices, and real community rules. It imagines an AI that people can see, understand, and participate in, not an AI hidden behind corporate walls. The most exciting part is how this decentralized AI could work inside the Pi ecosystem. Imagine opening a Pi app that instantly adapts to your needs, helping you find useful services, better deals, or relevant apps based on your preferences without selling your data. Imagine a Pi wallet that protects you from fraud and suspicious activity using AI that learns from millions of real human behaviors across the network. Imagine Pi apps that allows developers to build advanced tools like AI assistants, chatbots, smart marketplaces, or learning platforms, all powered by decentralized intelligence rather than a centralized database. Beyond that, Pi's AI could help run community governance by detecting bad actors, bots, fake accounts, or harmful activities faster than any human team ever could. It could help moderate content in a fairer way because the AI learns from the collective behavior of verified humans rather than a few moderators. It could even power new digital jobs where pioneers train AI, verify data, and help improve models in exchange for rewards, creating a completely new economic layer inside the Pi ecosystem. As this decentralized AI grows, it could start influencing the world beyond Pi. Traditional tech companies may face competition from a community-driven model they cannot easily replicate. Data ownership could return to individuals instead of platforms. Developers could build applications that are safer, more ethical, and more transparent. Web3 could transform from a world of digital tokens into a world of intelligent, interconnected systems designed by the people who use them. But of course, every major innovation faces challenges. Building decentralized AI at scale requires huge coordination, regulatory clarity, and advanced infrastructure. Pi will need to navigate global laws, protect user data, and ensure fairness in AI training. The community will need to learn, adapt, and participate actively. And developers will have to build tools that ordinary people can use easily. However, every great revolution begins with a challenge. And Pi's community has already shown the ability to grow, adapt, and push the boundaries of what is possible. In the end, Pi Network's AI integration represents more than technology. It is a new philosophy, a belief that intelligence should not be locked away, controlled by corporations, or used to manipulate people. Instead, intelligence should be a shared global resource shaped by human values, protected by decentralized systems, and accessible to everyone. If Pi succeeds, it won't just change the crypto industry, it will redefine how people work with AI, how digital economies operate, and how the future of Web3 is built. This is the world Pi Network is aiming for. A world where AI is not a tool of power, but a tool of empowerment. A world where millions of people can participate in shaping digital intelligence. A world where your identity, your data, your creativity, and your intelligence contribute to something bigger, a decentralized digital nation powered by people. And if this vision becomes a reality, Pi Network will not just be part of the next evolution of the internet. It will help define it.